Lode Resources was founded in 2019 by Ted and myself to focus on exploring for copper, silver and gold in northern New South Wales. We have 6 projects, 3 of which are drill ready and they're brownfields projects, and the characteristics they have are high-grade copper, high-grade gold and high-grade silver in their respective mines. Well, if we talk particularly about gold and silver, that has been driven by risk appetite and fears of inflation risk. And with regard to copper, that is more fundamental, and that is driven largely by the reindustrialisation and recovery of economies globally post-COVID, and also with the EV industry in terms of wind turbines and electric vehicles, and that's a big driver now of demand, and also speculative interest. So initially we will be exploring and seeking to make a major discovery. So we have many chances of that. We've got 3 brownfields projects that have the characteristics of being high grade separately in gold, high grade silver and high grade copper. They are drill ready and they are shallow. So in the case of Uralla, it's point blank drilling where we've had rock chips up to 8 grams a tonne. In the silver mine at Webb's Consul Silver, they have historically mined at very high grade silver, and it's quite shallow drilling. And at the Trough Gully copper mine, which is mined historically at a grade of 2.2%, once again it's point blank drilling, and we are hoping to have some great success at each of those projects.
Well, most of our drilling will be quite shallow. We are targeting known mineralisation at surface, so there's no point drilling deep holes just yet. We will be drilling down to just 200 metres. It will be RC drilling or reverse circulation drilling, so it will be rapid fire approach, and it will be low cost. Of that 7 million, we're going to spend $5.5 million on drilling across all our projects. That will be initially 8,000 metres in the first year. Of that, 4,000 will be on our Uralla Gold project, 2 million will be on our Webb Silver project, and the remaining 2 million will be on our Trough Gully mine. We sort of pride ourselves that most of the money that we raise will be going into the ground and on drilling.
We have managed to pick up some great projects. Those projects have also the capacity to have scale. So we really are very close to starting that program once we raise the money. It's all fully permitted, and the team's quite confident that we're going to get some great numbers out of that program. And what's happened since we started is that other companies have moved in. Newmont has taken 154 k's along the edge of the New England Fold Belt, and that directly abuts our Thor project, which we consider greenfields, but it's fantastic to have a large company like Newmont come into the area. We're just getting a lot of interest from other miners looking into the area. I have a background in investment banking and broking, working both New York for ABN AMRO and Merrill Lynch and Australia. Other board members include Ted Leschke, who's the Managing Director. Ted has a background as an ASX CEO with Equus more recently, and then prior to that was also on the buy side with a fund manager and on the broker side. With Keith Mays is our 3rd board member, is a geophysicist and has been responsible for a couple of discoveries. And we finish off with Jason Beckton, who's also a corporate geologist and has once again been instrumental in helping us plan our programs, and very active board members, very enthusiastic about our projects. We have made a local hire in Armidale, and that's part of what we want to try and do, build a local company with local members. And Mitch Tarrant is a geologist that we've employed and has been working with us for over 6 months now. He's Armidale based, as I said. We picked up Mitch from Red River, and he's well known to the locals, and he's making a very big, important impact for us on our projects.